Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll guide you through setting up a Binance account on your smartphone and configuring essential security features. I've organized everything into easy-to-follow steps so that even beginners can comfortably follow along. First, let's begin with the account registration process on Binance. Before starting, please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the app is installed, open it to get started. On the main screen, tap the Sign Up button to begin creating your account. You can register using either your email address or your phone number. Be sure to check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Then press Continue to proceed. Binance will send a verification code to your email or phone number. Enter the code you received into the verification field. Next, create a strong password to secure your account. Your password should be at least 8 characters long and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. After setting your password, you will see the referral confirmation screen. At this stage, it is crucial to select Yes. Selecting Yes will display a field where you can enter a referral code. Enter the referral code SKY333 in that field. Using this code provides 20% discount on trading fees along with additional rewards. For that reason, make sure to input the code before completing registration. Secondly, let's move on to the KYC verification process. This verification is required to enable deposits, trading, and withdrawals. Start by selecting your nationality from the list. Then choose the type of identification document you will submit. You will see several document options on the screen. For most users, a passport is usually the fastest and easiest option. After preparing your document, tap Take Pictures. Position your passport within the frame and take a clear photo of the information page. Next, proceed with facial verification. Carefully follow the instructions shown on the screen. Once completed, your verification request will be submitted. The review process typically takes around 1 hour. After approval, your account status will be marked as verified. Third, let's set up Google Authenticator for enhanced security. Return to the main dashboard of the Binance app. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner. Then tap the arrow icon located at the top right. Go to the Security menu. Select Authenticator app from the options. Tap Enable to begin setup. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. You will then see the Authenticator setup screen. Copy the 16-digit setup key displayed. Install the Google Authenticator app if you haven't already. After opening the app, tap the plus icon at the bottom right corner. Select Enter a setup key. For the code name, enter Binance. Paste the copied 16-digit key into the key field. Tap Add to complete the setup. A 6-digit code will now be generated continuously. Copy this 6-digit code. Press the Next button. Enter the code into the Binance app. Once confirmed, the security setup will be completed. To begin futures trading, switch to Pro mode. Return to the main screen again. Tap the Binance logo in the top left corner once more. If the Binance Pro option appears, select it. This will activate Pro mode. In today's video, we've covered account creation and verification in detail. Each step was explained clearly so beginners can follow easily. If you have any questions or faced any issues, feel free to leave a comment. Thank you for watching until the end.